my next video, I'd like to do one on what I call a burner email. Just as the title says, it's like a burner phone, but a burner email. So have you ever been in a circumstance where you want an email, but you don't want to give them your permanent email, and you need to get back some information, but again, you don't want to make a new email, you don't want to give them your real email, so they're constantly bothering you, and you just want an email for 10 minutes to be exact. So here's the video for you then. So let's get into it, as I like to say. So let's go to the website. So it's called 10minutemail.com. So I'm going to go to my browser and go to 10minutemail.com. Make sure spelled that right. Smell it too. And go, and here we have it. So there's my 10-minute email. You can send all the emails you want to it. It's not going to be there by the time this video gets uploaded, but it's cool because I can send that to them, and then if I want more than 10 minutes, you hit that. Now I'm back to 10 minutes again. So if you want it for more than 10 minutes, you can do it. It's just a hard way because you have to be on the website, and then you check for your inbox. I have 0, of course. Your inbox is ready. Emails typically arrive within seconds. Your temp email hides your address. Your IP, which that's another video, still gives you away. So you don't want to use this to tell somebody off or threaten them and think you're going to get away with it, because you can still get your IP, your internet protocol. You can still have that checked and know exactly where you're at. So, but there are ways around that. So that's something in another video we'll use. Your temp email hides your address. Every site you visit sees your real IP address and location. A virtual private network hides that. So again, that's a different video. So why would you use this? So maybe you want to sign up for a site which requires you to provide an email address, send validation email. Maybe you don't want to give your real email, which that's been many times with me. I'm like, I don't want to give you my email. I'm going to get bothered for the next year. This is nice and disposable, and it's free. So free is a good word. Protect your privacy with our free metadata remover. This is something separate. Clean photos and videos before posting or sharing them. So that's all a bunch of, they call them throwaway emails, burner emails, disposable email, temp email, etc. Explains it, use cases, guides. So it's really pretty cool. So I'm at 8 minutes, so I need 10 more minutes. So bang, now I'm back up to 10 more minutes. And email, there is none. Now my email is copied. That's how to copy it when you have a great big long one. So, yep, that's our burner email. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please like and subscribe my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.